In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Appwrite Database. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account on appwrite.io, and then over here, you want to click on Databases on the left-hand side under the Build section, and in here, you can actually create your database. So just click on Create Database, enter the name, so I'm going to name it Tutorial for this instance, there we go, and then here, as you can see, if you do not have any of the paid plans, your database won't be backed up. So if you want it to be backed up and your data stays safe, you have to upgrade your plan first, okay? Here you can also give it a database ID if you want to. I'm not going to do this. And then click on Create, and your database will be created over here. Now inside this database, you can then go ahead and create a new table like this. You can give it a name, you can give it a table ID. So let's just do test over here, and you can of course go ahead and add in different columns if you want to. I'm just going to create this without columns right now. Okay, as you can see, and of course you can then add different columns, indexes, activity, usage. You can go through the different settings. You can basically change for a specific table over here, and then of course you can also do the backups, usage. You can see the settings as well over here, and just keep on creating new tables, and therefore you can use the database that way. Okay, so this is how you can actually use it, create your tables, and then go ahead and of course use these tables however you want. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.